folks, quick shout out to all these lovely patrons that voted for this a few months ago, and I'd forgotten about this one. It came second in a patron vote. Make It Wit Chu by Queens of the Stone Age. I'm using the funny little boxes skeleton key for this one. Sounds a bit like this. Right, using it for the solo as well. Now he does use, I think, a Q zone pedal in this. I don't have one, but I'll try and get hold of one because I'm interested to see how that affects things. But as a bass tone, sounds good to me. And this tune's pretty straightforward. It's basically 3 chords all the way through. We have C to A to E. But a lot of it's played by keyboard, and Troy's part is really cool. Goes like this: 3, 4. You know, you got that going on. It's this sort of stuff, right? So this caged sort of style of playing, right? Notice what he's doing there. So he's going playing extensions basically, and then stuff like that. Okay, so it's pretty much the same all the way through, but he does put the odd few fills in. So I've given you 2 examples, and I'll show you what he does acoustically too. So let's do these first. We have 3, 4. Or you could do, or, you know, any of those sorts of fills, right? Second time round, there's a rest, so it comes in on the one hand. So we have 3, 4, 1. One more time slowly. 3, 4. Cool acoustic fills I'll show you, which is really nice. He plays 3, 4, 1, and then all that sort of stuff, right? So he'd have, great, isn't it? 3, 4, 1. You know, so rather than he's playing and then just repeat that around, so you know, put in whatever fills you like. Then we have an intro solo from Monsieur Hom, which goes, it comes in on the 3 hand. So we have 2, 3. So that's the first 4 bars. Again, 1, 2, 3. Right, then we come in again on the 3 hand. 1, 2, 3. only other part is the big solo towards the end. Again, I'm going to stick with this tone. It's not bang on, I know, but the guitar part goes something like this. 3, 4, 1. Then we got this bend. It's really difficult to play actually on this guitar. So I think what he might be doing is bending up either on the 14th fret, 1.5 steps, and then grabbing the next string down, right? So, and then returning that to its normal place. So you could do 15 and 14. It's quite difficult to do. You could just do a slide. And then into the next part. Then we got this cool fill. You know, it's quite quick, so we have. And we have. Okay, again. Lots of feel in this one. Long run here, which is really cool. We have. Okay, so the speed. Something like that. I haven't learnt this yet. Then we got this. Then we got these cool slides. Great stuff, isn't it? So it's. From this part. Cool stuff. So again from here. Just a little arpeggio. And the last part of the solo is just. Cool, isn't it? So we've got that 3/4 bend to give you a lot more sort of elephant noises. So if you just do a full bend, you don't get that dissonance happening. And then. And then. And that is it. I know I sort of rushed through the solo and fluffed some of it, but you got all the tab there. So I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.